So today, you guys, I wanted to share with you how I apply my cluster lashes. So for the girlies who like to DIY their lashes at home, this video will be for you. And for those who just want to learn how to DIY lashes, because you need to get in between your appointment with your lash tech or something like that, and you just need something that will tide you over into the next appointment, this can also be for you too. So really quick, clusters are, this is what clusters are, just in case for those who do not know. Clusters are almost like individual lashes that are like bunched up in clusters. So they're a little bit different than the individuals, and they're different than the band or the strip lashes. Strip lashes are in one piece. I don't have any laying around here right now, but they're on a strip and you just apply them, like put the glue on the band and you apply it on your eyelash like that. Boom, you're done. Individuals is basically what the lash techs do, the professional lash techs do, and then those girlies who can do their own, which is kind of hard to do your own, but hey, they're doing all kind of things out here. But the individuals, you apply to each strand of your lash. Clusters is an in-between technique that kind of gives you the best of both of those worlds, I guess you can say, because clusters looks like individual lashes, but then they're clustered together so that it makes it look more natural when you apply them, and you don't have to do them individually, so the technique can be done at home a lot quicker. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. I bought my lashes from Amazon. That's typically where I get them from. These, I tried different ones. This is a new brand that I'm trying out. It had great reviews on it. I've used it so far once and I love them. For, you know, the price point that you pay, you know, you do get what you pay for. But that being said, they're really great. They're soft, they're fluffy, and this is the brand. I'm not sponsored by this company by any means, but hey, if you want to sponsor me, just let me know. But yeah, so they're really fluffy and nice, like I say. So they go up to size 16 millimeters down to a 10. So they got 16 down to a 10. Today I'm going to do a short look. I've already completed one eye before I got on the camera. This is what it looks like, because I want to show you guys the difference between how much a little bit of longer lash can change your whole look. Okay, so this is without my lashes. Now I could put mascara on and probably get a little bit more something nicer than what I'm working with right here. My lashes are kind of short. I don't know if you can see them on the camera, but they are kind of short. So this is what it looks like if I don't put any mascara on and I don't wear any extensions. So this is what we're looking at. Not terrible or anything, but if you want to spruce yourself up just a little bit, then apply some lashes and then see how this changes my whole look. There's no makeup or anything on my face. So if I just wanted to apply my lashes and put on some lip gloss, hey, I'm good to go. I don't even really have to do any makeup because I'm a simple chick. Now if I'm going out somewhere special, then I will put a little bit of tint on, or a light some Fenty makeup or something like that. But anyway, we're here talking about lashes today. I'll share with you how I apply my makeup another day. And by all means, you guys, I am no professional. I am just a mom at home who likes to keep herself looking nice from time to time and save a coin. Not cheap or anything, because I do go get my beauty procedures done outside of the home as well when I feel like it. But when I want to save a coin, your girl can get it done herself at home. So that's what we're going to do today. And I want to share with you so that you can also learn a technique and save a coin as well, if you choose to. So today I'm only going to be applying the size 11 and the size 10 length lash clusters. Now, like I said, they go all the way up to a 16. I want to keep it short and simple. This is the look that I got. It's short and simple. I don't know if you can see. They're not that long. And I love this length. So I do longer lengths, and when I'm really trying to be like dressed up elegant, or I'm being very dramatic with my makeup or something like that. Okay. But that ain't what we're doing today. Today we're just keeping it simple and cute. So first, you want to use your glue. Now let me tell you, when you order this offline, if you choose to use this pack, they have a like wide range of different lashes that you can choose from and use online. Like I said, this is a new brand that I was trying out, Vava Lash, and I like it. You get 280 pieces with this container, and it also comes with glue and where is it at? These little tweezers with a cute little comb, which I love that. I think this is so cute. And these little tweezers here, and they come with their own glue. This is the glue. Now, I'm not a fan of the glue because my glue came just like this. So I had to buy my own outside personal glue because this glue came like that. And I don't like that. You can't use that. This glue is no good. No good. Now the seal, however, is fine. But the glue is a no-no. So I had to purchase my own glue. So I went back online and got this glue, which is my first time using this glue. It's called Jimmery. It had great reviews. It's been great so far. It has a bond side and a seal side, just like the other one that comes with the kit. And this glue is not messed up. I've used it a couple of times already. So the thing about these glues are they don't last that long. There's really not a lot in there. Hold on, I have to sneeze. All right, sorry about that. Hold on. Woo! Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I just kept sneezing. I didn't want to do it on camera, so I paused the camera. Okay, so anyway, like I said, these glues don't last that long. So don't think you're gonna get it and it's gonna last you for like a month or anything. At most, you may be able to use it for like 3-4 applications, and then that stuff is just gonna just clump up like that did. So, I mean, that's been my experiences, and I've used different glues and they all do the same. So, if you have a glue that works really well, a brand, and it doesn't do that, then please leave it down in the comment section, please, the name of it, so that me and the girlies, we could check it out, and we don't have to deal with the clumping and the waste of money by buying more glue when the seals are just like perfect. I don't know. Anyway, just leave it in the comment section for me, please. So to get started, I like to also brush my lashes to make sure that there's nothing on them. All the hairs are kind of unbunched. And then I like to apply the bond to my lashes. Can you see? Hope you can see. And I apply, it's almost like applying mascara. I try not to get all the way to the very end. And I only go halfway. And then I come back. Oh, that kind of went a little bit almost all the way. But I typically do bond it up to halfway on my lash line. And then I'll go back and bond the rest. I give it a few seconds to kind of get tacky. This particular glue, like I said, is basically my first time using it. Well, my second time now, but it dries very quickly. So I'm going to use the 11s. Hold on, I'm just trying to see something. Okay, so I'm going to use the size 11, which is this row here. And then I'm going to use a 10 at the end in the inner corner part. So you just want to pull off your lash. And my puppy is in the bed. I'm going to have to go see what's wrong with her. I think she needs to use the bathroom or something. My daughter, she'll probably get her in a second. Okay, so I'm going to go to the inner corner, lift my eye up like that. And I'm going to apply it down to my waterline. Not all the way on my waterline, just a little bit above my waterline. You don't want to get it all the way on your waterline because it will agitate your eyes. And you don't want that. So we got one on there. And we want to do the other. Whoops. That fell in my eye. I'm gonna change my tweezers. That's the tweezers that come with that, but I usually use these tweezers. I usually use these. Because they have the curves like that and they're longer. Girl. Let me put a little bit more bond on my eyelash. Yeah, this is drying super quick. And it's probably because I'm right up under the heat. I got the heat on. It's a little chilly here in the Carolinas this morning. In my house it was chilly. So I had to knock chill off. So let me work quickly. I got glue on my, I'll get that off later, y'all. So we're going to do the 10. And that's basically it. I usually do 2 10s, but on this particular eye, I could usually get 2 10s on this one, but on this one, there's really no hair here for it to grasp on. Just a tad bit, but not much. And I don't want to disturb that little bit of hair that is there, so I'm going to leave it alone. I don't want to risk of pulling anything out. So that's all you have to do to apply it, bond it. Then I like to squeeze it together a little bit like that. And then I'll put my seal along the ends. Also, I like to brush. Okay. And then I applied the seal on the seal end of this. And it looks like this. And I just dab a little bit at the base. Sometimes you can put a little bit on your tweezers. So when you squeeze them together. You gotta be careful with these tweezers. All right, and that's it. That is it, you guys. That's all I do. And it looks so nice. It looks like I've gone and gotten done, but I'm done it myself. So I'll wipe off this little bit of glue I got up here. Cotton ball, a little bit of makeup remover. And I got a little bit of the lash glue on my eyelid, so that's all I'm doing is wiping it off. So that's it, girlies. This is how I apply my, this is how I apply them. All right, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you're not new to the channel and you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so that you're notified of all new videos. I'm going to get back on here, do a little bit more videos, and sharing with you lifestyle, shopping, fashion, and makeup DIYs. Also some home DIYs. So if you guys want to stay and come along with me for the ride, then click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.